One of the great things about a life in bloom is having a garden. And we've planted a new garden here. But I have a certain way that I go about it. You're familiar with the term arrangement, which is when we take flowers and create an arrangement with those flowers and foliages. So I've coined a new term. It's called arrange plant, which means that when I go into the garden and I decide what plant I'm going to put there, I'm making a conscious decision that it's something that I can cut for arranging. Flowers that go into the garden are flowers that can be cut and are stable for me to have in an arrangement. The other thing, though, is it's not just about flowers. It's also about foliage. So the different trees, bushes, shrubs, even hostas, those types of things I've consciously planted so that I'm going to be able to cut at them. As the seasons change, spring, I have tulips and bulbs that come up. Summer, I've got beautiful annuals that are out here, and perennials. And fall, that's when the color comes out. And even winter, I can come out and grab fir trees or conifers. There's always something in the garden that I can go out and grab and bring in the house and arrange quickly. So if I want to take some flowers to someone, I can pop out into the garden and clip a few things and create something to take over to them. That's the great part about Arrange Plant and part of Life in Bloom.